Since you are a little bit more familiar with the Astra theme, you know how Elementor works, we can start talking about starter templates. So if you remember when I was talking about Astra theme, I showed you how to install a plugin which is called starter templates. And in this lesson, I'll show you how you can use them. But before we do that, I would like to explain you the main difference between posts and pages, because a lot of beginners make this mistake, and I wasn't an exception. I was kind of confused what is the main difference between blog posts and pages. So basically, pages are for static, timeless content. It could be such pages as about us, contact us, prices, it could be a blog page, and all similar pages as well. So basically, pages are for timeless content. If you need, you can edit them, but in most cases you will not do any major changes. And meanwhile, posts are for timely content. And they have publish date, are displayed in reverse chronological order on your blog page. So basically, when you are running a blog, you're going to have a lot of different blog posts in, let's say, different categories, but in most cases you will not have a lot of pages. Probably you'll have such pages as about us, homepage, contact us, and similar pages. So alright, so since now you know what is the main difference between blog posts and pages, we can go ahead and check the plugin which we installed previously. And to access it, you would have to go right here, appearance section, and click on starter templates. And as you can see right here, we have a huge list of templates. We have a lot of different templates, and we can choose from different sections like business, other, blog, or e-commerce. But I must warn you, if you will choose an e-commerce template, you will need a pro version of Elementor. So let's keep it as it is, and let's say you like this template. You would love to have a similar website, so all you have to do is just click on it, and right here, as you can see, we have different pages. So as I mentioned you before, pages are for static information, and as you can see, with this template, we get 5 pages. So we have a home page, we have about page, we have services page, we have projects page, and we have contact us page. So all of these pages were created using Elementor. So let's say we want to add a certain page to our WordPress website. You would have to select the page, and you would have to click right here, import contact template. And this template, this page would be imported right here in pages section, all pages, and right here you will be able to access it. But let's say if you're not sure if you want to use this page and you would like to check a live version of this page, so you would have to click right here, and once you click on it, we will go to a new tab, and you can check how this website would look. So this is the homepage, and this is how the homepage would look. You would be able to do any changes you want to, change the information, do layout adjustments, maybe delete some elements or add new elements. And let's check how contact us page looks. Alright, so this is how contact us page would look, and as you can see, it's a quite nice looking page, and you could easily use this page, this template for your own website. Of course, you can edit all the information. You can delete some of the fields, or you can even add some new fields. Alright, let's go back to our template section. Alright, so let's say you like the homepage and you would like to use a homepage for your website. So all you have to do is go right here, click import, and just wait a couple of seconds. And it says that this page was imported successfully, and we can click to view template. Alright, so as you can see, this is how it looks now. We would need to do some changes. As you can see, it doesn't look too good. It doesn't fit our style, but basically we have the same page as we saw in the template section. So let's go back to our dashboard, and I will show you where this page was imported. So let's go to pages section, and let's go to all pages. And as you can see, the home page was added right here, and it says that it's Elementor page. And yeah, this is how you can use templates. So basically, this was the last lesson when I was explaining things to you. And in next lessons, we will go ahead and start creating new pages. So of course, I will show you how you can create a page from the scratch using Elementor. And I will show you how you can create a page using a template, how you can edit it, and how you can use it for your own website. So that's all you need to know about starter templates.